Police are investigating a series of unusual thefts. Burglars are stealing airbags from people's cars.
Some people waking up today to find their cars on bricks.
Yeah, they were missing their wheels and their tires.
Trucks are now stealing tailgates from the back of pickup trucks.
Okay, we got a 2014 Nissan Maxima. What happened is they busted out this back window and they stole a bunch of stuff out of his vehicle, so he wanted to make sure that doesn't happen again. We end up adding the shock sensor kit with a push notification to his cell phone in case somebody busts out the key lock or break the window and the alarm goes off. He wants to get an alert anywhere that he's in the United States or maybe even out of the country, as long as his phone got cell phone reception. Everything is incorporated to the factory alarm, so there's no need to carry another key fob around or nothing like that. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the lock. The alarm will fire up. And there you go, he gets the notification that the alarm is going off. Gives him the little